This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get an invoice on eBay. First, you'll want to log into your eBay account using your registered email address and password. Once logged in, locate the My eBay section, typically found in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Purchase History to view your past transactions. This is the starting point for accessing your order details and invoices. Next, scroll through your purchase history to find the specific item for which you need an invoice. Once you've located it, you'll see a More Actions drop-down menu next to the item. Click on this menu, and then select View Order Details. This action will take you to a page with comprehensive information about your purchase, including payment and shipping specifics. Now that you are on the Order Details page, look for an option that says Print Invoice or something similar. Clicking this will typically open a new window or tab with a formatted invoice. From there, you can choose to print the document directly to your printer or save it as a PDF file to your computer. This gives you a digital copy for your records or for sharing. It's important to note that some sellers might provide their own custom invoices, especially for business purchases. If you require a specific tax invoice or a more detailed document than what eBay provides, it's best to contact the seller directly. Always keep digital copies of your invoices for at least 7 years for financial record-keeping purposes. This ensures you have all necessary documentation readily available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.